So in this tutorial we'll talk about the sorting and grouping. So now you can see that it's just a list and there is no sorting way or there is no grouping. So that is the tutorial number 24, and we will try to implement the sorting and grouping. So first let's start with the sort by the product name. So basically that is the product name. So, and you know that this view is coming from that invoice list view. So here that is the list and that is the header toolbar. This is the header toolbar. So now in that list we have to work on that. So inside this the item, but now actually there are multiple properties. So what we will do, we will add the path, and in that path we will use that, and here, so now that is the, I just add the new property, that is path, and another that is the shorter. So here it should have another path. This path actually short by what? So it is product name, product name. So now it will automatically sort by the proper product name. So if we just refresh, so now you can see that it is BCM then PS. So it's already short, but there is no group. So if we want to just by group, then this path, basically if we go to the invoice, you can see the shipper name. So here we will group by the shipper name. So it will be the sort by the shipper name. Also it will have the group. So it just group, then true. So now it will group by and it will also sort. So now actually it should have that comma here. So if we now refresh, so now you can see that is the Acme shipper and the all related product, and that is the fun industry that is related this product, and it is also here it is the short and also is appearing the group. So basically that is the way how you can group and sort. So that's it, but in the next video actually we will start discussing on that remote OData service, which is very important because till now I work with the dummy data with that invoice, but now we will try to connect the remote OData service. So let's start with that. Thank you.